Australia is full of unbelievable places that feel too magical to be real, and Lake Hillier is one of them. Nestled on Middle Island in Western Australia, this bubblegum-pink wonder is surrounded by lush green forest and the deep blue ocean, creating a breathtaking contrast. The secret behind its colour, microorganisms and high salinity, but its vibrant pink hue is visible all year round. You can only see this natural marvel by air or sea, making it a truly exclusive experience. Lake Hillier is one of the most unique spots on Earth, a must-see for adventurers and nature lovers. Thanks for watching. Hit like and follow for more unbelievable places in Australia. Aussie Traveller.